How's it going, guys? Since everyone's been so helpful on the forum since I purchased my 2017 RF, I found out that there's a pretty easy way that Mazda did so we can access the drains for the RF roof. I did have mine completely clogged on the passenger side. Let's see down there. This one is alright, but the passenger side was completely flooded, and the carpet on that side is just completely wet. So I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble this side, and then I'll show you the easy way to get at this. Alright, so first you just start off by removing this. Just get a good grip on it down here. Pull it up. Now the same thing here. Just put it in a good spot. Then you have all these clips here. So use like a little pry tool or something. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it should just pull off. Let me get those off. Alright, so this one's a little bit harder to pull off than the first one, but still not too bad. Just try and get a good grip on it. Slide it out without destroying your hand. Just have some clips there on the side. Just pulls right off. And then there's some clips holding it to this back part of the car here. And it just goes right up. Alright, so you can see the drain on this side. This one isn't flooded, but the other side, all this section here was completely wet and overflowing into the car. The meaning of this hose, where it actually comes, where the water actually comes into the car, just looks like this when you have it on. So the water just comes in. It's just some clips. I just used a pry tool, get it off. There's a bunch of this stuff, trees and whatnot stuck in here. Just went ahead and shook it out. You can get something to kind of snake in there, clean it out some more, and then just clip it back on. It should be good. Some more clips here. There's gonna be one here on this side. Same thing. Just pop it off. And then you have some clips on the lower carpet here. Just right down here. Pop those off. There's always that one. There's another clip here under the carpet. Same thing as the other ones. Just pop it off. And here, see, this side's already a little wet. Sure if it had just been overflowing from the other side or what was going on, but this is the easy part. I'm not sure if anyone's done this, but I haven't seen this done or talked about. This one's kind of pull off, but let me put the camera down. But you're basically just gonna pry this off. Here, just pop off there. Just get in here. See that orange right there? That's where it actually drains out of the car. So what I did on the other side is I went ahead and I got a snake, doing a little bit of plumbing here on the MD. I got a snake. I actually put it down in there. I'm not gonna do it on this side because I don't think it's as bad as the other one. The other one, there was no water able to even flow through it. I snaked it down in there in the drain. Disconnected this. Pops off. That's where it comes out of the car. And then you can feel it go all the way down and pull out all kinds of debris and gunk out of the tube. And just make sure that the flap at the bottom, there's a little flap, kind of like a check valve, I guess. and you want to make sure that that is completely closed when you're all done with this, so that you don't have anything coming up into the cabin from the bottom. But other than that, once you do that, your drain should be clean. I did take these two 8 mils off, one missing because I dropped one. Good luck to me finding that all the way somewhere in here. We'll see how that goes. Another project, I guess. But this was completely full, just tree debris, everything in here. I went ahead and cleaned it up, so it should be good. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped out a few of you guys. I know I was kind of worried about taking this on, but hopefully now the ND won't get flooded in the inside anymore. As you can see, this is maybe moved. And there's that rubber flap. You just gotta make sure that that's flat when you're all done. One thing to mention about this is these are very sharp. I'm sure that they could damage something somewhere. So what I did was I just went ahead and filed it down a bit. It's nice and rounded out. That way it's able to get in there a little bit easier and not do any damage to anything.